she hit me like I'll be like, why you so proud? Got to make you mine.
Lonely all by yourself?
No way! Once I've mastered it, I can teach it to them myself!
You have a beautiful soul, don't you? Additionally, if I could, I'd like to entrust a dream of mine to you.
A dream?
Yes. That we can befriend the demons. I'm sure you can accomplish that.
Are you angry?
Yes. You are correct. It may be that I'm constantly angry. My beloved older sister